mountain. Please not. Ooh. Oh. Growing potatoes in boxes with this amazing harvest. It's not a bad idea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are harvesting potatoes, the ones we planted in boxes a couple of months ago and in grow bag. So let's get into it. I hope they're not rotten, so yay. Anyway guys, before I go any further, I just want to say thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you so much. And also all the new subscribers, you're welcome, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, please, if you are watching first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and please guys, don't forget to like and to share. I really appreciate your support. So thank you guys and God bless you. So in this was the first box I harvested potatoes, and I was so excited. The sizes of potatoes that I got in return was unexpected. I wasn't expecting to harvest this much, but I did. It worked. But the most exciting part in this video was this box. This box was very special because it was an experiment. I planted tiny, small little potatoes like this, and some of them were smaller than this. And I wanted to see if they will give me a good return, if they will produce bigger potatoes. And did they? Yes, guys, they did. It worked amazing, and I was so shocked. I got a good sized potato from them. It was incredible. It was such an unexpected, joyful moment. But anyway, this tells me that even small potatoes can actually give you more food than you expect. And also, you can use those tiny potatoes. You can either eat them or use them as potato seeds, because why not? If you see the result right now, as you can see, you just don't even want to waste any of those tiny potatoes, because they just produce such good size potatoes, bigger size actually than I expected. I was expecting them not to even sprout or not to produce any potatoes, but amazingly, they gave me a good harvest, and that was very exciting. But now the main thing I want to tell you is the experiment about growing potatoes in boxes. Why did I grow these in boxes, in other boxes? I did not grow potatoes in raised bed this year. I grow them in a grow bag and also in boxes. That's because I wanted to experiment something. I wanted to see if I would get a good harvest or not, or if it's waste of time or not. And to my surprise, guys, it wasn't actually a waste of time, because we got a very good harvest, and especially to people who only have small space and they really want to grow potatoes but they don't have a bigger space. You don't need that. Grow them in boxes, grow them in containers, look after them, and you'll get a good harvest. Look at this, from tiny potatoes to this harvest. It was such a blessing. And so you can grow them in pots or grow bags or boxes. I get my boxes from the supermarket and I just keep them, and you can do the same for free actually. Anyway, and now how I grow my potatoes and how I look after them. I have a video about this, but I'm going to make it quicker for the sake of the new subscribers. I put hay and dry leaves on the bottom of the boxes, and that helps to keep the moisture, not to let the soil get dry. And I also add potting mix and compost. Then I also add blood and bone and potato fertilizer when I plant them. And after that, I'll keep watering them. It depends how hot it is. Sometimes I'll water them 3 days a week or twice a week, or maybe more than that. It just depends on the weather. And every 2 to 3 weeks, I'll also give them again another feed of potato fertilizer, and that's about it. That's all I do to them. I don't do much. And I also kept adding more soil to them so that the sun is not, make sure they are well covered so that the sun is not sitting on the potatoes to turn, because when the sun goes on the potatoes, when they're on the surface, they turn green, and that is not good. They say green potatoes are poisonous apparently. I'm not too sure about that. But anyway, so I hope this helps to tell you that you do not need a bigger space to grow potatoes. You use the space you have by growing them in boxes, by growing them in pots or grow bag. I couldn't harvest the ones in a grow bag, which I'll actually do just a short video on that, because I use a phone to video all of this, and I don't know what I was thinking. I did not charge my phone when I started videoing, so it went flat, like dead. So that was what happened. I only managed to harvest from 4 boxes instead of 5 boxes, but it wasn't disappointing at all. Planting them in these boxes, I have learned a lot. In the future, I don't know if I'll be planting my potatoes in raised bed, or maybe I will. Let me say I might not, but probably I will. I will probably, but I love planting them in boxes because it's much easier actually to dig them and to find them. It was much easier than when I planted them last year in raised bed. But anyway, guys, so I'm going to reuse these boxes again. I'm going to plant potatoes, but what I'm going to do is to amend the soil, but by adding compost and blood and bone to it, then planting more potatoes, which will be in a week's time. And yep, I think that's it. That's it, guys. So this is the whole potatoes I harvested from 5 boxes, I think, and that was such a blessing. It was a big harvest. I was very happy with it, and I hope you try it too. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.